Today is very sunny again. At 11 a.m. I'm at the Tampines MRT station here, having a lunch at the coffee shop. I'm having this big shorter set with rice and some soup. It's $7.80. Join me if you like. It's quite nice.